The MSI Codex R2 gaming desktop is built for gamers who want powerful performance without breaking the bank. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Powered by the Intel Core i5-14400F processor with hybrid architecture, this PC ensures smooth multitasking and enhanced gaming performance across the board. Whether you're grinding through competitive games or creating content, the Codex R2 keeps things fluid and responsive. Equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card, this desktop brings lifelike visuals to your screen thanks to ray tracing and DLSS support powered by Ada Lovelace architecture. You'll enjoy immersive lighting, shadows, and reflections in your favorite games, taking realism to a whole new level. With 16 GB of ultra-fast DDR5 memory, expect blazing speeds and rapid application load times, while the 1 TB NVMe SSD ensures your system boots quickly and games load in an instant. MSI includes Windows 11 Home out of the box, offering a modern, user-friendly interface perfect for everyday computing and gaming. Whether you're using this PC for school, work, or entertainment, it's designed to adapt to your needs. And with Wi-Fi connectivity built in, you're ready to hop online right out of the box, no extra accessories required. Cooling is another area where the Codex R2 shines. It features a powerful RGB CPU air cooler along with 4 system fans, 3 front intake and 1 rear exhaust, to maintain optimal airflow. This setup helps keep your system cool under pressure, ensuring stable performance during long gaming sessions. Plus, the built-in RGB lighting adds flair to your setup. You can easily cycle through lighting modes using the dedicated MSI LED button or fully customize the look with MSI Center software. This desktop also comes with a keyboard and mouse combo, so you can get started right away. With its DIY-friendly case and upgradable internals, future-proofing your setup is easy. Whether you're a new gamer or an experienced builder, the MSI Codex R2 is a smart choice for reliable performance and style. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.